Integers Lesson A notes continued. We're going to now move on to multiplying and dividing integers. The best part about multiplying and dividing integers is it's actually easier than adding and subtracting integers. For addition and subtraction, the sign could have been addition, but you actually subtracted to find your answer. Or the sign could have been subtraction, and you actually added to find your answer. That's why they're a little bit more difficult, because you can't just look at the sign and know what to do. But with multiplication and division, if it's a multiplication problem, you will multiply, and if it's a division problem, you will divide. So we're going to start by multiplying and dividing two integers. When you're multiplying two integers, if the signs are the same, meaning they're both positive or both negative, then the sign of your answer will be positive. But if the signs are different, one positive and one negative, then the sign of your answer will be negative. For example 4, it says determine if the solution should be positive or negative. It's not asking you to find the numeric solution. It just wants you to determine, will that answer be positive or will that answer be negative? If it's positive, let's put a P, and if it's negative, let's put an N. So for A, we've got a -6 and a -42. The signs are the same, so that means my answer will be positive. For B, we've got a -2 and a +3. Those signs are different, so our answer will be negative. What I would like you to do is I want you to finish C through H on your own, so go ahead and pause the video to do that now. All right, let's see if your answers are correct. For C, we've got a -45 and a +9. The signs are different, so your answer will be negative. For D, a +18 and a -6. The signs are different, so your answer will be negative. For E, you've got a +20 and a -5. Signs are different, your answer will be negative. For F, you have a -33 and a -11. This time the signs are the same, so your answer will be positive. For G, -16, -4, the signs are the same, so your answer will be positive. And then for H, we've got a -20 and a +5. Those signs are different, so your answer should have been negative. The one thing you need to be careful with is not mixing up your rules for addition and subtraction with the rules for multiplication and division. For example, if you had -3 minus 2, that answer, the signs are the same, so you add and keep the sign. So that answer, there were two negatives and your answer stayed negative. But if you were multiplying and you had -3 times -2, now I multiply and get 6, and because the signs are the same, my answer will be positive. So you have to be very careful not to mix up your rules with multiplication and division with the rules for addition and subtraction. If you have any questions about multiplying or dividing two integers or example 4, please let me know.